In this tutorial, I will explain two methods for reverting to Windows 10 after upgrading to Windows 11. The first method involves reverting to Windows 10 after the allowed 10-day window has expired, or when the rollback process is no longer permitted for any reason, as we will see now. As you can see, this message tells me that I cannot go back to Windows 10. In this case, we'll go to Google and search for Download Windows 10. We will go to the first link. Then we right-click here. From the menu we select Inspect. From this side menu, we click on this option. Then we reload the Microsoft website. Then we close the side menu. We can now download an ISO image of Windows 10. Now we scroll down. Then click here and select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Then we press Confirm. Here we will choose the Windows language. We must select the same language in Windows 11. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then we press Confirm. Here, I will choose to download Windows 10 with 64-bit architecture. The Windows 10 download process has now begun. I have already downloaded Windows. Now I will extract the Windows files to a virtual drive by right-clicking on it and selecting Mount. I will now double-click the setup file. Now we will click on this option and select Not Now. If you want to download drivers and updates, leave the selection on the first option. I will now check this box and then press Next. Here I will click Accept to agree to the license terms. You will not be able to keep anything. Files and programs will be deleted. If there are important files on the C partition, you can move them to another partition so you don't lose them. Here, it asks me if I want to continue using this selection. I will click Yes. Now, click Install to start the process, which will delete all files and programs. Now, we will move on to the second method for reverting to Windows 10 while keeping your files and programs. If it has been less than 10 days since upgrading to Windows 11, you can revert to Windows 10 while keeping your files and programs. To do that, we click on the Windows logo and go to Settings. Then we click on System. Then we look for the Recovery option. Here we will find the Go Back option. Then I will click on Next. Here you are asked to check for updates to resolve any issues. I will press No Thanks. Then I will click on Next. If there is a password on Windows 10, you must remember it. Here I will click on Go Back to Windows 10. If you are using a laptop, you must make sure it is connected to a power source. The computer will restart until the process is complete. And here we are back to Windows 10 without data loss, and as you can see, all programs are as they were, nothing has been removed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.